Ona thutha wa haho kuri arutwo o undu umwe na aciari ati igeranio cia KCPE na KCSE ciahota gugatharara kurumirira githurano kia tariki 26. Minista wa githomo Fred Matiang'i niahinyiriirie ati mibango mikinyaniru ne igitwo na ugitiri kugacirithio gutigirira igeranio ici ni igatabanio o wega.
I want to assure you, and I want to assure the country that we will make all the sacrifices necessary to ensure that the exam is administered, conducted at the time it was scheduled to be conducted. And all of you, my brothers and sisters, it is time for us to make that important contribution we must make to the lives of our children.
Akiaria hindi ya kigomano na anyiti itemi ruhonge-ini rwa githomo, Matiang'i augite mehaririia mothe ni marikiriru kuria oritie aria mehokeirwo gukarugamirira igeranio ici kuigiririka wira-ini wao gutigirira gutiri undu ona umwe ukahingicana.
Work as effectively as we must, conduct these examinations with, as I said, a measure of military precision. Everything must go as planned. The papers will move to the containers on the dates and the hours they are meant to move. They will be received at the containers at the time we expect they will be received there.
Na tukihugukira ndeto ingi iria kurerikana maafitha a borithi ni mahuthirire hinya mukiru guthararia mururungano wa arutwo university-ini ya Nairobi. Riboti iria irutitwo ni Vice Chancellor thukuru-ini uyu ironania ati arutwo 26 ni magurarire, riri nake murutwo umwe uria wagurarire uru arathie na mbere kwamukira urigiti.
I want to take this opportunity to express our regret on the unfortunate incident that happened last week on Thursday, September 28th, 2017, where people from outside took advantage of the vulnerability of our students to incite them to riot in support of their selfish interests.
Kugena kuo ruhonge rwa IPOA ni rugite no rurathie na mbere na gwika uthuthuria wigie kana borithi ni mahuthirire hinya mukiru kuri arutwo acio. Ruhonge ruru rugite ati ni rwikite uthuthuria wigimaine na mbica iria iratheremio nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria na kuona ati nyingi cia mbica icio ni cia maheni. Hau kabere kanjo ya arutwo thukuru-ini uyu ni menereirie giko giki na kuria uthuthuria utabanio na makinya mahiu ma kiwatho gutacukirio maafitha aya. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.